Afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start off the video by applying some primer to my face from Maybelline that I stole from my sister. And next I'm gonna go into my eyebrows. I'm just gonna fill in the eyebrow that I'm going to have like the normal makeup side on. So just one side of the face. Next I'm going in with the Ardell Fiber Gel and just applying that to my eyebrows so that they don't move. And with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light sand, I'm going to just carve out my eyebrow, and then I'm going to drag it down to my eyelid to act as an eyeshadow base. Next, with the Huda Beauty palette, I'm gonna take those two orangey colors and apply them to my crease. I'm just gonna do a normal eye look. This is just what I would normally do. And next I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk. And back with the Huda Beauty palette, I'm just adding like a gold shimmery color to my lid, and then just the white color to my brow bone. And then I'm just going in with some mascara. And then I didn't film this part, but I added some eyeliner and added some lashes. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. I think it's the sand beige color. And just applying it with a damp beauty blender. I'm only applying it to the parts of the face that, like I said, are the normal face. I was inspired by Desi Perkin's video that she made a couple years ago. So I was just looking at her picture, like I was just referencing it to the picture of her look and just trying to do exactly the same. And then I'm going back in with that concealer and applying it under my eyelid and just around my nose and on the bridge of my nose. And next I just went in with this banana powder from Revolution and just setting my makeup. And then I'm going to go in and draw the little drizzles, melted face look to my face. And again, I'm going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And like I mentioned, I'm just referencing Desi Perkin's picture. So I just kept like looking back and forth at her picture to see how she had it. You don't have to have it exactly the same, but it's just nice to have like a reference. It helps you a lot. Next, I'm going in with this CC Cosmetics palette. Like I've talked about it a few times. It's basically a dupe for the Makeup Forever Flash palette, and it's only $20. And I'm just going in with the black color, and I'm just adding it to like the top part of the little swivel thingies. Basically, I just want it to be the darkest where it curves, and then you guys will see later it it'll be like lighter at the bottom. You just kind of want to give it some dimension by doing this. And this is what I mean by just dragging it down so it looks kind of like a gray almost at the bottom and a darker black at the very top. It just gives it more of a dimension. So I'm going in with the Morphe palette and then just getting the black eyeshadow, and just with like an eyeliner pencil, I'm setting that black color that I applied and just making it darker and more intense at the curve. Next, I'm going back in with that NYX pencil and drawing out the skull eye. And if you mess up, it's okay. I kept like a wet wipe around me the whole time in case I messed up. You can just wipe it off really easily and do your lines. And then I'm going back in with that black and just outlining the white that I just did, and then filling it in. Next, I'm going in with the white color, and this part is a little bit hard to explain. Basically, I just, like I mentioned, I had Desi Perkin's picture. You can either have like a picture of a skull in front of you or hers or whatever, just to kind of reference like how a skull looks like. I know it sounds really weird, but you never really notice how to draw it until you're like doing it. So I would just always have a picture of like a skull or something to reference it to and kind of go based off of that. So I'm just going in with the white and adding in all the white first. I went back in with the white with the same brush I was just using and adding a little bit of white to the bottom of my face so it would look a little bit gray. And now I'm going in with a more detailed brush and the black color from the palette and just adding in like the skull. Next, I went in with the black eyeshadow color from the Morphe palette and just set that black. And then I went in with this white powder from Revolution and set the white parts of my face. Here I'm going in with the Stila felt tip eyeliner, and I'm just drawing in the teeth. So basically you just want to do kind of like some triangles, almost like a triangle and a like water droplet looking thing. So here's the fun part, just adding the gel to the melted part of your face. You can either use a Mehron 3D gel or you can make this yourself. I made mine myself. You just need to mix equal parts of flavored gelatin, glycerin, and water, and a little bit of foundation, and it basically makes the exact same thing. And it's super easy. And that's basically it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and let me know what you guys think. And until next time, guys.